So in this video, we're going to do some simple measurements in the oscilloscope. So we press the key for measurement. So then a pop-up menu shows up in the screen. So we need to choose channel 1 or channel 2. So let's clear everything. So the measurements data will showing up near the bottom of the screen. We cleared everything which was the previous measurements cleared. So now let's choose channel 2. And then we measure the voltage for the peak to peak. Or we can measure the max. So it's the same thing here because it's 0 to 5 volts, right? Peak to peak is 5, maximum is also 5. So we choose Vmax, voltage, Vmax. Okay, and then we can go to channel 1. We also measure the Vmax. You see, Vmax, both shows up. We can also use the cursors, use this button to measure what is the exponentially falling time, exponentially increasing time on the oscilloscope. So let's press precursor. So mode, we choose manually. So we can choose time. So press, we can choose which one to choose. So we choose the first one starting from the edge of the square wave. Then the second cursor we choose somewhere here. So the first one is from here. So that's a decay time.